What is up, YouTube? It is your handy home girl, Dani, creative Dani Did It, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. This is a DIY channel exclusively dedicated to showing you how to do just about any and everything yourself. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a baluster on your banister when it is broken. Okay, so here I've got the new baluster sitting below the existing baluster. Obviously it's broken here. So what I did, like I said, is just laid it on top, and I just marked out the side here so I could see what angle I need to cut it at, and did the same thing for the bottom portion so I can get the exact angle. I'm going to cut it with my miter in just a second. And it's not an exact match, but it will do. I tell you guys all the time, you cannot learn absolutely everything you need to know about a subject in 5 minutes or less. So since you're already here, please consider watching until the end so that you don't miss any of the tips and tricks that I drop on you guys while I'm showing you how to do it yourself. If Dani did it, you can do it too. Period. I'm just laying it down so I can see what angle it needs to be cut at. It's looking like a 45, and you can fix it with your multi-tool just in case it's not an exact. So I'm gonna cut a little bit past the line. So you can see I have still the mark left on here, and again, if I need to clean any of it up once I get it over to the banister, then I can just do that with my multi-tool. And I'm going to shift it over to the other side. So I can do the same thing. This one is slightly not 45, and again, you just want to play with it until you find what is going to be the best for ya. Okay, that little piece here I'm about to chop off with my multi-tool. Okay. And my apologies if the lighting is off. I'm in a garage. So I'm just going to do a dry fit. Okay, this is almost perfect. Let me see. I'm gonna knock it in a little bit with my hammer just to get it nice and snug. And I will be shooting the nails in on an angle. I'm gonna be shooting them in from the bottom of the banister and then also on the top of the banister here. So I'm just gonna get my air compressor ready to go. As a rule of thumb, anytime I'm working with wood, whether it be a new install of some trim or fixing up some existing wood, I always use wood glue. It's just extra security for whatever piece that you're working on. I mean, although we're gonna nail the banister in, I just, like I said, just like to provide a little bit of extra security. This is my ice. I don't go to work without ice. It looks to be good. So just gonna apply a little bit of glue to the top. It doesn't have to be much, just a little bit for some extra security. And I'm gonna shoot the nails in at the top first. All right, so I got the top one in. I hope this is making sense. Okay. And I'm just shooting a few of them in just to make sure that it's nice and secure. And that is, and then I'm going to secure it from the bottom. All right, so here we are. This is the bottom of the stairs. I should get all my shit out the way. I'm just pushing it in to make sure that it's secured to where I want it to be. And again, I'm going to shoot these nails in from the bottom. And I'm just shooting a little bit on an angle here. Again, just to secure them in. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end. Please share this video with your friends, family, somebody that you know is hooked up on the same situation and doesn't know how to fix it. I'm gonna see y'all guys in my next video.